Early diagnosis of cancer is possible with the help of astrology. Various combinations of planets of astrology can easily predict the possibilities of cancer in human body. Hello, Namaskar. I am Sant Tripathi. Again, I am before you with my new video having the topic early diagnosis of cancer with the help of astrology. This time I am using English language just because I want to make my reach possible to the maximum people of the world. Although modern medical science has developed so many new techniques and so many new medicines to cure such fatal disease cancer, even though the priority is always given to the prevention. It has been suggested by the medical science that early diagnosis can be proved very much helpful in fast cure of this disease. With the help of astrology, it is quite easy to find out the possibilities of cancer in any human body. There are some astrological combinations which are indications of causing cancer in human body. In any horoscope, 6th house, 8th house and 12th house are very important to find out the possibility of any disease in human body. Especially the 6th house of the horoscope is very important to find out the possibility of any disease in human body. Rahu, Saturn, Jupiter and Ketu. These planets are very important to find out the causes of cancer in human body. If Rahu makes the relation with 1st house and the 6th house, 6th house means the house of disease, then Rahu increases the poison in the human body. If Saturn and Rahu are present in the 6th house, the house of disease, then the possibilities of incurable disease are increased. If Jupiter makes the relation with Mars and Saturn in 2nd house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, then the risk of cancer may increase. If Saturn and Jupiter are situated in the same zodiac sign or they are situated in the reciprocal positions, then the high risk of cancer may increase. For diagnosis of disease, 12th house is also very important. If Rahu and Saturn are situated in the 12th house with close degree, then high risk of cancer increases. In the same way, Saturn with Ketu and the Saturn with Mars in 12th house may also increase the causing of cancer. If Rahu aspects 6th house, 8th house and 12th house or their lords, then the symptoms of cancer can easily be diagnosed in the human body. If in any horoscope, the lord of 6th house is in 1st house, lord of 6th house is in the 8th house, lord of 6th house in the 12th house, and moreover, Rahu aspects all these houses or the lords of these houses, then the possibilities of cancer may increase. For any fatal disease, 6th house is very important. If the lord of 6th house is afflicted or the 6th house is afflicted, then the possibilities of cancer may increase. In the same way, if the lords of 6th house are placed in the inauspicious nakshatras, then the disease of cancer may be possible in human body. In any kundli, Buddha is considered to represent skin. If Buddha, I mean Mercury, is afflicted by any malefic planet and Rahu is also afflicting Mercury, then the possibility of cancer may increase. According to Vedic astrology, Jupiter is the main planet to cause cancer. In any horoscope, if Jupiter combines with Mars and Saturn in 2nd house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, then the possibility of the cancer cannot be denied. Mars planet is considered for blood and Saturn is considered for poison. If these two planets are situated in 6th house, 8th house and 12th house and at the same time Rahu or Ketu are with them, then it is the possibility that in that human body cancer can be easily diagnosed. In cancer causing possibilities, planet Sun is very important. If Sun is situated in 6th house, 8th house and 12th house and it is aspected by any malefic planet, then colon cancer can be possible. Similarly, if Sun in any house is combined with any malefic planet and aspected by any other malefic planet, the long-term disease is possible. If weak moon is situated in 6th house, 8th house and aspected by the Saturn, or at the same time moon is situated in any malefic planet's house, then the cancer may be possible in that human body. Mercury is the most dangerous planet if it is in 8th house, 11th house and 12th house. 99% cases of cancers just because in their horoscope there is relation between 6th house and 11th house. 6th house of disease, and when the lord of 6th house goes to the 11th house, then it amplifies the disease. So the connection between the 6th house and 11th house is always considered for the existence of cancer in human body. One thing is very important. If Ketu is in 6th house or in 8th house, or Ketu is afflicting the lord of 6th house or 8th house, then disease cannot be diagnosed till the last stage. So if Ketu is in 6th house or in 8th house, then the people should be very much alert about the diagnosis of disease. Ketu always gives non-diagnosis disease, and for cancer this is very risky if the disease is not diagnosed till the last stage. If under malefic impact moon and Saturn conjunct in 6th house, then the possibility of blood cancer is very much or very high after the age of 55. If afflicted Saturn is situated in the 6th house in the nakshatra of Rahu, then the chances of cancer are very high. If Mars and Rahu are afflicting 6th house and 8th house, then the chances of skin cancer are very high. If in any horoscope with the lord of Lagna, Rahu or Ketu are situated in the Lagna itself, then the chances of stomach cancer are very high. If in any horoscope Rahu or Ketu are situated with the 6th house lord in Lagna, then the chances of stomach cancer are very high. If 6th house is afflicted and Rahu or Ketu are present in the 10th house or 8th house, then the possibility of stomach cancer is very high. If Saturn of Cancer and Capricorn falls in 6th house, then the chances of breast cancer are increased. I have mentioned certain combinations in astrology which can cause cancer, but my video is not to tell about the early diagnosis of cancer with the help of astrology, but my video is just to tell that the study of astrology is so powerful that in medical science it can be helpful. My video is to prove that astrology is a so powerful subject that to some extent you can know something about the diseases. I salute to the modern medical science. I salute to the doctors who are fighting against such fatal disease, and I would like to request all the people that try to find out as early as possible the medical help for your disease. Early diagnosis is the only cure for this cancer. This video is just to show the power of astrology, the help you can take from astrology. If you liked my video, press the bell icon below. Comment down if you have any queries related to this video. And if you want to get your kundli analyzed by me, then you should contact me through my email given in my description box. In the end, subscribe my channel so that you can get such videos regularly. We will meet next time. Thank you.